Hello dear Virgos, welcome back to my channel and this is your monthly reading for the month of June. So if you're a Sun Moon Rising Virgo, this reading is for you. Your cards are already out. We will cover a general reading. We will see what's going to happen in your love, career, business, money, health, anything that the cards reveal. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you want to know more about the personal reading, the ritual or the counseling session, please stay tuned till the end and I will give you more information. Let's see what is happening around your first week. You've got the Six of Moons and the Fortitude card. This clearly tells me that you're looking into the past. Either you're looking into the past to analyze something, how far I have come, how much money I have earned, uh, you know, what my strategy should be coming forward, or you're looking in the past because you want to go back there because there is something over there that you miss. It can be anything for you. I do see that if that's your work, you are analyzing a lot of stuff and moving ahead with full force, strength, and courage. A lot of power, authority, and strength is coming to you with whatever work you're doing. It can be that you're promoted or new position offers you that kind of strength, or you have your own business and you're only expanding. When it comes to your love life, it could be that there is a particular person in the past that you really miss or want to go back to. You will be going back with full force, offering them the kind of love that maybe they asked for, but you were not ready or they were not ready, right? The second week onwards, you've got the Cardinal and the Burning Tower. I do see that there is a risky move that you're taking in the second week, or you are literally walking on the eggshells, which you're not supposed to do, right? So if you are risking your life for your work, like overworking, not paying attention to your health, or not giving time to your family, or overworking, or not working, any of these things, then you have to understand that it can backfire for you. The burning tower means that you can expect an unpredictable change in your life, right? Anything that will put you on the right path. It will end things for you which you're not supposed to do, the wrong things that you're doing. So if you are spending a lot of cash extravagantly, you can run out of cash. If you're not taking care of your health, not sleeping or eating properly, you can have health issues. You can meet with accidents. If you're overworking, something can happen because of that. If you're not giving time to your family, your relationships can get affected. You can have a breakup or a divorce situation as well. So anything that you are not following which you're supposed to do, which is not aligned with your higher purpose or the path, the universe will step in. It will shake things for you. You will be surprised and even shocked because it is not going to be smooth. Expect endings and new beginnings. So anything which was toxic for you, which you knew or you were just hanging on to, relationships, jobs, business, that will end for you. Anything which is meant for you, new opportunities, new people, is going to come towards you and you are going to start something new as well. So do not be afraid when something ends for you in the second week or around any time in June, because anything that is ending is meant to end and anything that is beginning is meant to begin for you. So do not be scared of these changes. Yes, they will be challenging and shocking even, but they are for your higher purpose. In the second half of June, you have got the Seven of Spades and the Seventh, which is the Chariot. Beautiful card to have. Traveling is happening, foundation is being laid. So it could be that you're starting with your new college first year, right? Foundation is being laid. You're starting with a new job, probation period is there. You're starting with your new business, you're still establishing. So maybe less clients, more efforts, right? Anything that you're doing right now, laying the foundation, is going to bring you a lot of success and abundance, that's for sure. I also see your life will be moving forward in every sphere of your life. So if you are in a relationship, you might get married. If you are single, you want to have a relationship, you might do that. If you're married, you want to take the next step, have babies, you want to do that. So you are taking the next step either in your career or in your personal life. I also see travel. So it could be that you're traveling for vacation, traveling for work, or you could get opportunities from different city, state, countries, right? So it can be that foreign travel is there, or foreign related client, or money is coming from foreign sources. So all these things can happen for you as well. The partner that you're dealing with could also be in another city, state, country. So somebody could travel and meet you, or you are specially traveling to see someone as well. In the last week of June, you've got the Two of Moons and the Four of Suns. A lot of love is there for sure. I do see happy unions happening, so you can maybe start, like I said, something new. Maybe now you're ready to establish relationships or marriage. I also see that if you want to announce that, okay, you two are dating, you would be meeting each other's friends and families now, making it official. The family also looks happy. There is a reunion happening. So I do see you going back home from somewhere. It could be that you're already staying abroad or in a different city, state, country than where your family lives. You will be going back home, spending time with them. Reunion is happening. You could be meeting events, attending events, meeting old friends and family relatives also. It's still like a very happy vibe. It's a very, you could be doing service also of some sort, like maybe you are hosting the party, you are the host. I do see that as well. But there is a lot of love because the love card has come here. I do see love in the air. I do see happy unions forming. I see peaceful unions happening. So a lot of good things are happening for you in the month of June, right? So take care of the things, the warnings that I've given you. Apart from that, I do not see anything major. Yes, like I said, unpredictable changes will be there. Health issues will be there only if you are not taking care of something. But if you are doing everything right, then there is no problem. The month is smooth. So if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what is your situation. I will be reading all your comments, liking and commenting as well. Apart from that, if you have any specific question regarding any area of your life, love, health, career, then you can always book your personal reading or any other area for that matter. Also, I do rituals as well, easy, powerful rituals to remove blockages from your life or to manifest desires. I also have different packages available for people who are single, who are in love, or who wants to know more about career. There will be fixed set of questions and a free remedy will also be given to you to see what is exactly blocking your growth in that area. Other than that, I do spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you think you need therapy, guidance, mentorship, or you want to just, you know, speak your heart out without any judgment, without being laughed at, you can always come to me. I have audio video sessions available with me on Instagram, Zoom Meet, and Google Meet as well. So you can book that. To book any session, you can either DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please also follow me there because you will also get to know different prices, the cheap prices, the high prices, everything. You can choose according to your budget. I keep posting on a daily basis on my stories, or you can email me to book, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com. All these details are written in my bio and my description box as well. But yes, if I miss out on anything, do email, do read the description box, or DM on my Instagram handle. Okay. So take care of yourself. I'm going to see you very soon. And thank you for watching my channel. Bye bye.